Shemai Pow, hello everybody. Today I'm going to read you a lovely story called 10 Shiny Snowflakes. 10 shiny snowflakes softly fall and float past Big Bear's tree. Where is my hat and scarf, he cries. I'm going out to ski. Can we count 10 snowflakes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 snowflakes. The mice are snuggled in their nest as 9 snowflakes drift past. We want to go outside, they chant. The snow is falling fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 shiny snowflakes. 8 tiny snowflakes flutter past as Deer sits by a hedge. Hip hip hooray, now I can play with my new shiny sledge. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 shiny snowflakes. In his warm burrow, Rabbit sees 7 soft snowflakes fall. I just can't wait, he thinks aloud, to make a big snowball. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shiny snowflakes. Hedgehog hides beneath some leaves as 6 snowflakes skitter by. This snow is so much fun, he squeals as he looks up to the sky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shiny snowflakes. 5 snowflakes then drift past the den where squirrels snuggle tight. I hope it keeps on snowing hard. It just might snow all night. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shiny snowflakes. As 4 more shiny snowflakes fall, Fox chuckles, this is great. Look at this winter wonderland. I'm going out to skate. 1, 2, 3, 4 shiny snowflakes. Owl spies 3 gleaming snowflakes fall as he sits in his tree. Woot to wit to woo, to wit to woo, he flaps and hoots. I'm happy as can be. 1, 2, 3 shiny snowflakes. 2 snowflakes flutter past the dam where playful beavers hide. Just look at all the soft white snow. We want to go outside. 1, 2 shiny snowflakes. Robin sits on his frosty perch as one last snowflake falls. It's time to have some snowy fun, he flaps about and calls. We've got 1 shiny snowflake. At last the sky is clear and blue. The friends come out to play. They all make a jolly snowman on a perfect winter's day. Can you see the snowman's got a carrot for a nose? He's got a scarf, a glove, some gloves and a hat. Oh, it looks a cold day. Did you enjoy that story? I hope you did. Hwyl fawr, bye!